Imagine a company reaching out to you with the perfect offer before you even realize you need it. A streaming platform suggests a show you end up loving, or an online store recommends a product at exactly the right time. It feels almost like the system can predict your next move. This is predictive marketing, where businesses use data to anticipate customer behavior and act before the customer makes a decision. Predictive marketing is built on data analysis and machine learning. Companies collect information such as past purchases, browsing history, search patterns, and engagement behavior. This data is then analyzed to identify patterns and trends. Instead of reacting to what customers have already done, businesses use these patterns to predict what customers are likely to do next. One of the most common applications of predictive marketing is product recommendations. Platforms like Amazon and Netflix analyze user behavior to suggest products or content that match individual preferences. These recommendations are not random. They are based on algorithms that learn from millions of data points to increase the chances of engagement. Another important use is churn prediction, where companies identify customers who are likely to stop using a product or service. For example, subscription-based platforms can detect when user activity drops and respond by offering discounts, reminders, or personalized content to retain those customers. This helps businesses reduce customer loss and improve long-term retention. Predictive marketing is also used in demand forecasting, where companies estimate future demand for products. Retailers and e-commerce platforms analyze past sales data, seasonal trends, and customer behavior to ensure they have the right products available at the right time. This improves inventory management and prevents both shortages and overstocking. Advertising has also become more efficient through predictive marketing. Instead of showing ads to a broad audience, businesses can target individuals who are most likely to convert. Platforms like Google Ads and Meta Ads use predictive algorithms to determine which users are more likely to click on an ad or make a purchase, improving return on investment. The key advantage of predictive marketing is that it shifts businesses from reactive to proactive decision-making. Instead of waiting for customers to act, companies can guide them with the right message at the right moment. This creates a smoother customer experience and increases the chances of conversion. Predictive marketing represents the future of marketing strategy, where data and technology work together to anticipate needs and deliver value in advance. Businesses that can effectively use data to understand and predict behavior will have a strong competitive advantage. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how emerging technologies like voice search and conversational marketing are changing how brands interact with customers.